But the second thing, which is probably more prevalent, is that people don't separate out exports. They just assume that when they're selling on Amazon.co.uk, for example, or they're selling on one of the other sales channels that we support as well, like eBay, for example, that all their sales are going to UK customers. And what they don't realize is
Mm.
that the eBay Global Shipping Program and the Amazon Global Shipping Program is shipping their products all over the world. And when a customer from outside the UK buys their products, they don't pay VAT. And
Mhm.
so they have not collected any VAT from the customer. And so they shouldn't be paying any VAT to HMRC. And we see that time and time again that people don't separate that out. And they'll say, like, oh, but I definitely don't have any sales outside the UK. I only sell on Amazon
Mm.
UK or I only sell on eBay UK. And they
Mhm.
just don't realize that it's happening. It's like, unless you've opted out, Amazon and eBay are doing that. So
Mhm.
that's number
Mhm.
two. And then number three is there's actually some rules in the UK in VAT legislation, which means that in certain circumstances, the marketplaces themselves are responsible for collecting and remitting the VAT. And so, unless you are identifying those sales and separating those out, then what will happen is the customer will pay the VAT. The sales
Mhm.
channel will then recoup that from you, and they'll pass it directly to the HMRC. And then when you account for the sale, you'll also pass the VAT to the HMRC. So now you've paid VAT twice on that
Mhm. Yeah.
transaction. And so you lose out on your profitability, basically.